Hello friends, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we are going to talk about Elementor landing pages. Okay, so in the previous video, we created a home page using Elementor, and in this video, we will be, talking about how exactly can you create a landing page using Elementor. So once you install Elementor, you can see there's a templates tab which is there, and there you can just, hover your mouse, and here you can see landing pages. First of all, let's understand what is the difference between a landing page and a home page. So, a landing page is any page which is talking about one product or service and it has got all the details about that specific product only. Most of the time, your landing page is used for your paid advertisement. So, let's say if you're running a Google ad, you will have your landing page link there instead of your home page, or maybe if you're an e-commerce website, you will have a specific landing page for your products. Now, if you're a business and you want to keep your advertisement landing pages different from your main landing pages, in those cases, you will have landing pages which will not have the navigational bar on the top. Okay, now many companies use this approach. So let's just look at it. I've clicked on templates. Under templates, I'm on the landing page. Now here I can see, there's one draft. I'll just move it to Thrash. It was some testing which I was doing. And I'll just click on add new landing page here on the top. And we'll just click on add new. And here we can see that there are various landing page templates layouts which are there. Now, most of them are pro, as you can see, and some of them are free. Like for example, this one it's for free, and here we have got this one is for free. This pizza one is for free. So now, which one should we be looking at? So I personally generally take out a skeleton. So basically, I'll just pick up this wireframe which is there and then I will modify it as per my product details. So let me just quickly click on this link here, and here I can see that this is the wireframe that I have, and this becomes a excellent boilerplate. So you need not go for the pro version. If you really have some very specific requirement, in that case you will have to go for the pro version. Okay, now I've just clicked on insert here on the top right hand side. Once I do that, it will ask me to connect to a template library. I'll just click on get started. It will redirect me here. I'll require to sign in, so I'll just continue with Gmail. That's one of the most easiest options these days. Just click on confirm. Okay, so I'll just maybe have some user ID and password. So I'll just try to log in with that. Okay, so invalid user. So I'll just pause the video. I'll just create a new account and then we'll go ahead. Okay, so I'm on the sign up page and this has identified my Gmail now. So I'll just click on it and hopefully it should be done. Yes, I've registered successfully. So the trick here is if you're login or you're trying to log in or create an account using Gmail, in that case you should not be doing that on the login page. You require to do that on the registration page of the template library. So now I'll just simply click on connect. Now I think it will reload the library, and let me pause the video by the time this is loading. Okay, it's fine, it's loaded. So basically now I've got all the skeleton elements on my page here, the client testimonials. We saw in the previous video, if you have not yet watched that video, I put the link in the description, how you can create a slider without switching to Elementor Pro. And in these series, in this entire series of Elementor videos, we are going to focus on creating videos which which will be using the free version of Elementor, and you need not sign up with the pro version. So at any point in time, if you want to sign up with the pro version, we have got the link in our description, so you can definitely click on that and sign up for the pro version as well. Okay, So basically, we can see that we've got the skeleton which is ready, which is talking about the featured on the title, okay, and the copyright, etc. Now, let me just quickly preview this page. So let's say if I just or yeah, here the eye icon is for the preview the page, and let's say if I just click on preview the page, it will open it in a new tab, and here this is how my landing page looks. Now, this is totally responsive. You don't have to worry about making it responsive, mobile friendly, etc. But as mentioned earlier, you can see we are not able to see any top level logo nor navigational menus which are there. This is mainly because it's a landing page. You can consider adding the logo in the images, image placeholders here, or on the top. Generally, I prefer to add it somewhere here on the center or the left hand side. So we'll look at and explore that option as well. So now I'll just quickly start editing the content of these blocks. Now here they've put four images. We can put one image also. Let me just change the title to this, and let me just talk about the SEO course in Hindi. Okay, so we are talking about the SEO course. Now I want it to come in a single line here. So what I'll do is I'll just go here on the right hand side. I'll click on the style element, and here I can just click on, okay, this is the title typography. I'll just click on the typography here, okay, and here I can just simply drag the size to be smaller. So if you have a number in mind, you can change that number to that, but I've just scrolled it to make sure that it comes in one line. Okay. Next, I'll talk about the description. I'll add on the images later on. I'll keep that for the last, and I'll just write a small description. Get complete SEO tutorial for just rupees 399. Okay. So I've just added this link here, 399, and buy now. I don't like buy now term. I can change it to get started now. We can have the link of the buy button there, but we want to be more specific here. Get started for rupees 399 only. Or if you want to be very specific, get started with SEO course. Okay, and for rupees 399 only. So now this call to action becomes more reliable, more readable. The user is knowing what he's going to get out of the course, and it becomes more descriptive. Here maybe we can talk about complete SEO tutorial, uh, help rank any type of website for rupees 399 only. Okay, so basically we've got this here, and now since this is in place, we can just come down here. We can see that there are benefits here. Now maybe you can talk about the benefits in the same layout, or you can change it as well. For now in this video I'm going to use it in the same format, but I'll come up with one more video where we'll be using the accordion and the tabs and everything, and maybe you can subscribe to the channel if you're looking forward for that kind of a content. Okay, so benefit number one, or I'll just make the content of the course on page SEO. So learn, fix all your website on page SEO issues, or learn to. Okay, similarly I'll just copy paste, then keyword research, search, learn to find the best keywords for SEO. Then we can talk about off-page SEO or SEO. Learn how to create backlinks that help you rank higher. Okay. Similarly, we can talk about content writing. Content writing is also something very important for SEO, to write content that ranks. Okay. So, we have got these things covered. Now here we have got a title introducing your product, okay, and product feature benefits. Okay, so we can talk about more detailed curriculum here, or we can talk about a demo video. Since it's about coaching, we can have a link to our demo content as well. So we can don't go by our words, learn, um, check out our demo lecture. Okay, so basically we are asking them to check out demo lecture. If you want some more information, okay, click here to sign up for free demo, to sign up for more free demo. So basically here will be, we can create a hyperlink here, and we can redirect them to Google, Google form, or maybe contact form 7, or whatever form we want them to go to, so that they know that, okay, fine, what's being offered. They can click and register to get more demo. Now here what we can talk about is demo video lecture. Okay, and here they put the bullet points. We can delete this, so I'll just click on the del icon. I've deleted the entire thing, and here from the left hand side, what I'll do is I'll select a video. So I can just simply drag and drop a video. Right now I'm using or I'll be adding a video from YouTube, but you can add something more also to it. So here we've got the video. Now if you just go towards the left hand side, we can decide the start time, end time. We can also have the you know we can just style this. We can just click on the style this, and we can decide the aspect ratio that is there. So we can take the aspect ratio to 1:1. Okay, or maybe 3:2 looks better. It looks much better there, and that's how we can do it. So right now it's a dummy video. You can simply just click on edit, click on the content tab, and here you can copy paste any of the videos that you want, and you will have it there. So player controls, if you want to off, you can switch them off. So all these things become very easy when you are using Elementor. If you're using, let's say, some other builder, you are embedding it directly using YouTube, then it is not going to be so simple. Okay, and so now next is we've got the product, and also basically this is not applicable to us. So I'll simply click on the delete section icon here, and I'll delete the specific section here. And yeah, the client testimonials. Okay, I prefer to have my own versions of the client testimonials. In fact, we did it in the previous video, so let me just reuse that specific section itself. So what I'll do, I've deleted it, the testimonial section. Now I'll just click on the menu here again. Okay. So I have to just go back, and here I need a inner section. So I'll just drag the section here somewhere. Okay. Okay. So basically, I'll just click on the plus sign. Here I'll get a widget here. What I can do is I can drag and drop the section here, and I can or maybe I can decide what type of section do I want here. So I'll just click on the plus here, and what I can do is I can search for short codes. Okay, and I'll just insert that short code here. Now which short code do I want to be added here? So I'll just simply go in the panel. Okay, I'll go in the panel here, and I'll look for testimonials. Yeah, here we've got views, testimonial views. So if you're not aware, I've done a dedicated video on this, so you can go through that video as well to understand how it works, and you'll get a more clear idea on what I'm doing here. Okay, I put the link in the description again. Okay, so this is I'll just click on apply. Now here I'm able to see them coming one below the other. But if you just publish this page, or if I just preview this page, uh, just publish this page. Okay, it's taking some time, so I'll pause the video. Now if you can see, the testimonial has come here. So it's not perfectly placed, but we can definitely change that. Okay. Okay, so here also we can see that the content is not looking great. Let me just load the live version of the page, and yeah, and now it's looking fine. So sometimes don't get scared if the preview is not coming good. Okay, you just need to go to a live page and refresh it, and you'll be able to see everything in a perfect order. Now here there's one small change that I would want to have, is that the title on the testimonials. Now here the advantage is you can have more testimonials, and that's one good thing you can have in your layout. So now what I will do is I will just go up here. Okay, so this is the testimonial section which is there, and what I'll do is I'll simply head add a heading tag there above. So if you can see, I'm just adding it above here, and I can just rename this to as student testimonials. Okay, so basically we have got student testimonials. I'll center align it, and now what I'll do is I'll add one more section here, and I will make sure that we've got a empty space there. Okay, so I'll just click here, and we can search for spacer. We've got a spacer. Spacer is an amazing thing, so we'll just add the spacer there, and you can define the spacer, how long or short you want it to be, and we can simply update the page. And once you update the page, okay, this page automatically goes in the preview mode, and you'll be able to see student testimonials and stuff. So we can change the color as well. So for that, you can just click on the setting, you'll be able to do that. Featured on. So if you want to add some PR links, you can do that as well. So we will just click here, we'll just click on cross. Okay, title, turn the visitor into lead. So I'll just change this. The only course you need to learn SEO. Okay, So this is a chance to emphasize why the visitor should buy your product. So we don't want this. Get started now and be ahead of the race. Okay. And instead of buy now, what I'll do is I'll simply go here. I'll click on it. I'll do Control C, Control V. I've got a duplicate element, and I will just drag it down here. I'll need to click on the edit icon to drag it down so that I am not doing all the work again. So I think it is coming. Yes, it's coming. So this is done, and I'll just delete this. I'll change the color. I should have changed it before I dragged it, because since it's a call to action button, we want the color to be something like a dark color, green color. Green means go. In your landing pages, most of the time you'll have a green color, and if you want to decide the hover color, you can do that as well. So here we can see the color, and box shadow color is there. Okay, so I'll just copy paste this color code. I'll update this here, and I will also change it in here. Okay, style will change the color to this one. That's all. We are done with the content of the page. As mentioned, I'll come up with more videos on this on the landing page, and let me just preview the page, how it looks on both laptop and your mobile browser. So okay, let me just upload it, update it here, reload it. So this is how it looks on your mobile, on your laptop, and let's see how it looks on your mobile device. I'll just right click, inspect, click on the mobile icon, and you can see this is how it looks on the mobile, and it's pretty much streamlined. As I mentioned, if you're using Elementor, you don't have to worry about the responsiveness. All the responsiveness comes out automatically, and it is definitely re- going to be a good mobile user experience. Okay, so I hope you liked today's video. Please drop in your comment, and definitely subscribe and subscribe to the channel, and we will keep coming up with more content related to WordPress and Elementor for sure. Okay, thank you guys. All the best.